So here in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add wheel spin option in OBS for live stream. So first of all, you have to go to streamlabs.com website and sign into your account. Now in this left hand menu, select all widget and here scroll down and find out this spin wheel widget, or you can use this search widget box to find out wheel spin widget, and then select the widget, and here is the spin wheel widget. Now it's time to customize this spin wheel widget. So under categories, you can go ahead and add more categories. To do that, click on add category, and here you can just go ahead and add your category and click on this color box and select a different color for the category. And if you want to delete any category, just click on this delete button next to the category. And now under section weights, you can just select any category and you can adjust this duration. So here I'm adding another section and selecting burger, and let's increase this length. And now you can also rearrange section by clicking this icon just like this. And now result template, you can change this text, and you can also customize font size, font weight, text color, level, height, and go ahead and customize all of these options according to your needs. And here we can see the trigger image. If you want, you can also upload a custom trigger image by clicking here. So from media gallery, you can go ahead and select a different icon, and here thicker tone, click here, and now from this media gallery you can select a different audio for the trigger tone option, and here we can see the center image. Click here and you can go ahead and select a different center image. Also click on uploads to upload your custom image from your computer. So in my case, I'm selecting a different image from the stock list, and go ahead and customize this, and then click on save settings. And if you want to learn more about this widget, you can just click on show tutorial, and here is a YouTube video tutorial. You can watch this video to learn. Now click on save settings. Once the widget saved, click on copy the widget link. Now go to your OBS and select a scene, and under source click on this plus icon, select browser, and I'm typing here spin wheel, and enter here the spin wheel widget link and click on OK. And here we can see the spin wheel edit. Now you can change the spin wheel location. You can also resize the spin wheel just like this. Now go back to the Streamlabs, and here click on spin wheel, go to your OBS, and here we can see the preview or result. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.